bit of a discussion about who's on offense or defense going on here. Avalanche having 3 discs, the classic 3 disc approach. Okay, we've got rid of 2 of the discs, we'll go with the classic 1 disc approach. Tom just taking off 1 of his SMD tops there to reveal another smaller SMD top underneath.
It's taken a while to get started this game.
It's still 45 seconds in-ish. Still no pull. Here we go, first pull, let's go. Louis. Let's go, Harry! Yeah, Harry!
It's on camera.
She was in the end zone. That's what you want. You want to catch it in the end zone. A lot of bad blood between these teams. A pretty bloody history. I think they really don't like each other very much.
Yeah, let's go, great press, great press. Gotta get a force on.
Oh no! That's unfortunate. Switch to Louis cam.
So my ideal Sunday lunch, what's the thing called for us? Where he takes the...
Oh, the interview with the paper.
Yeah, where he takes
Classic Ashley Love. It may have been blocked by Louis being cheering. Ashley Love, the goal scorer there. Calm as anything. Like he didn't even do anything. I quite like using this wide angle like lens for filming games, especially indoors, because you can get like pretty much the whole pitch.
Yeah, it's good.
So even if you're me, it's Stu. He's so tall. Catch your D's, Louis.
The rest of the team not so happy.
Ashley Love is not impressed. The team that's actually pulling. It's a short pull. It's not a short pull, it's a low pull. Woo! Garrett, Harry, Kim, Ash, Harry again. Ash goes deep. He's gone deep. He's not caught it because there was a really tall guy there that got a D and it went in the net. Like I said,
thinks he's playing football.
A lot of bad blood between these teams. Really, really aggressive, really angry play a lot of the time. Like you don't even know what's coming in that conversation, but there's a lot of swearing. What is it? 2-2. It's 2-2. Joe, change the scoreboard. It's 2-2 in the game. Let's go to Tom Garrett cam. Sometimes I get distracted and forget I'm supposed to move the camera and I just watch the frisbee. The amount of games I've filmed where you'll hear me being like, yeah, fucking get in! And then like moving the camera over to like something that just happened.
That was just beautiful.
It's gone up. And it's come back down again.
So that's the usual way of things. Oh my gosh. Where was Ashley, love? Might as well not exist. Look at him. A man in shame. Look how miserable he is. He's so upset by that. He's absolutely fuming. He just hit a woman because he's so annoyed with himself. The man's in shaft tatters. He's leaving. He's going home. He's had enough.
Okay, Paul's coming up.
Thanks, Joe. Oh, come on, I could have filmed Ashley Love for another 10 seconds.
Apologies. It looked like the pool was coming up. They both had their hands up.
Here comes Louis with the ball. Nice. Nice. What a beautiful disc. Oh! Aaron dropped the frisbee! Whoa! Is that too big? It's too big. It was too big. The mistake was throwing it to Aaron. It makes everyone worse. Let's get his close up on Aaron. There he is, the man himself. Can he redeem himself in this offense? Oh! Can he do it? He did it! He did the frisbee! He got it back! Look at him! He's absolutely distraught with his performance. Yeah, he scored the point, but at what cost? This man has no soul.
It's a 4-3 now.
Yeah.
That side.
You started at that end.
Toe heads.
Aaron, why did you drop that disc?
That's why I kicked the ball.
But why did you drop the frisbee though? Why did you not just hold on to the frisbee and score the point? Oh, Aaron, you know how that sort of thing feels. What's it like?
My toe hurts from the last one.
Don't kick the ball then, you little child. Oh, see, notice how she caught it and she didn't then drop it afterwards. Now 5-3. Short shot. Louis, when Aaron dropped that disc over there just then, how did you feel?
I celebrated before he caught it.
That's probably why he dropped it. That's the classic.
Give us intensity, SMD!
That's nice pull. Oh, that was good grab. Really clean as well. 5-4 the score. Let's go back to scoreboard. 5-4. I do the wide angle. I always do. Yeah. It's much better. You can see more of the pitch. So.
Come on, score!
Oh, Harry!
Oh,
Harry!
what a point!
What a grab! Read that like a dream. What was the note?
Joe, can you do the scoreboard? 6-4 now. I think Kim doesn't want it to be filmed.
Okay.
But I'll stop if, like, he has to. Like, actually. Yeah, Aaron, you put the score. Why didn't you stop them, Aaron?
I wasn't there.
Why weren't you over there? Get in the D.
Louis fault.
I mean, where were you though?
Marking run.
Well, why weren't you over there getting the D?
Needs to be.
Well, obviously you did need to be because they scored. I'd say Louis has improved as a player is that he stopped being that thing where he just runs really close to someone and like demands the disc.
Yeah. Avalanche, there's the blue one. Tight, not long left. This is what you call time wasting now.
Yeah, just put out the clock. Oh no, that's not running out the clock, that's getting a turnover. Uh-oh. That's 7-all.
7-all.
Could that be it? Could that be it? That was a really bad point to give up. Oh, so calm from Louis to watch them just go down for the brick. He knows the rules. Come on, SMD! Yeah, nice. Needed that. Nice, Tom. Ooh. Jeez. Oh my gosh! God, they're just hanging on by the skin of their teeth. 30 seconds!
30 seconds!
Oh jeez.
What a grab!
He's not in, he's not in. Oh! 15 seconds!
Go on, SMD! Tom, look at team! Tom, look at team! Just stop the team! Stop the team!
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh no! As if that is a win for Avalanche in the last, not that much, in the last seconds of the game.